In this video, we're going to be discussing how the Sidemen, a group of popular YouTubers, make their money. These YouTubers are hard-working individuals who deliver consistent content throughout the year and deserve every pence they make. It's tough to make it to the top, but to remain, as the Sidemen have for a long time, is even more impressive. Each member, Toby, Harry, JJ, Simon, Josh, Ethan, and Vic, all have their own subsequent channels, which they somewhat maintain bar Harry. I don't know the Sidemen personally, but throughout this video, I will be referring to them by their first name. Just as a side note, they deserve every pence they make. They also deserve to keep what they're making private, to avoid any significant events entailed with releasing these numbers, so I'm only going to provide an outline of what they make and provide some key components so you can estimate what they are currently earning. They also split earnings by 7 equally between them, which is unheard of in these YouTube groups and should be admired. One way the Sidemen make their money is through YouTube ad revenue. Whenever a viewer watches one of their videos and sees an ad, the Sidemen earn a small amount of money. This income can add up quickly, especially when they have such a large audience. The Sidemen are closing in on 18 million subscribers on their main channel with 4.7 billion views. Their latest venture, Sidemen Reacts, has 5 million subscribers and nearly 2 billion views, only being created back in 2020. And last but not least, we have more Sidemen with 7.5 million subscribers and 3 billion views. That's a combined view count of nearly 10 billion views across their 3 channels. They have been keeping consistent to their post schedule, and throughout December, they are posting 1 video per day leading up to Christmas on more Sidemen and Sidemen Reacts. Another way that the Sidemen make money is through sponsorships and partnerships. Many companies are willing to pay the Sidemen to promote their products or services in their videos. This can be in form of sponsored videos, where the Sidemen create a video specifically for the sponsor or through product placements in their regular videos. The Sidemen most notably works with Revolut, a financial services company. They even offer their own Sidemen Revolut transaction card, which has 10% off Sidemen clothing bonus attached when you sign up for one. Another key sponsor the Sidemen work with is ExpressVPN. The Sidemen also make their money through merchandise sales. They have their own line of clothing, accessories, and other items that they sell to their fans. Sidemen Clothing work with brands such as Nickelodeon, as well as other brands like Elise. They release special edition merchandise throughout the year and frequently sell out. They now have Side Plus with their brand new studio and podcast setup. They also have many other sets within their studio. Side Plus is where you can get Sidemen content behind a paywall, which offers special shows, podcasts, and behind the scenes of their main channel videos. Side Plus has been a success since launch, and they still get new subscribers every day. In addition to these income streams, the Sidemen also have Sides, a fast food chain throughout England, as well as branches all over the UAE. Sides is an incredibly desirable food product, and when they have the Sidemen at physical locations such as their Sides booth at Box Park, they see an astronomical customers numbers. The Sidemen have gone from being a YouTube group to now having one of the largest fast food brands in England and the most desired globally. We can estimate a 4 to 9% profit margin from their revenue from Sides, split by each member equally. The Sidemen is further branching away from their YouTube revenue, when before they launched Sides they had launched XIX Vodka. The Sidemen's audience has now grown to an older audience and now can enjoy things like alcoholic beverages. Nelk had launched Happy Dad, and it was only time before the Sidemen had a similar idea. XIX Vodka had sold out of their first few drops in an extremely small amount of time. XIX Vodka is now being stocked in Morrison's supermarkets, which is a strong indication that it's here to stay. You can purchase XIX if you're in the UK, US, or EU. In the UK, the median vodka company makes 5.2% in profit, and I estimate they have well surpassed the sale of 100,000 bottles so far. With an RRP of £35 times 100,000, that's £3.5 million in sales. 1.5-year-old business, but I estimate it to be much more than 100,000 bottles sold. The Sidemen make money through a variety of channels, including YouTube, sponsorships and partnerships, merchandise sales, and various investments into building out their empire. If you want me to do a deep dive on each Sidemen member, such as JJ with Prime, Misfits Boxing, and his record label, which he signs Young Dave, then leave a comment down below. It is clear they have been successful in building a brand and monetizing their content on YouTube.